Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, so I forgot to do an introduction to this vlog. Welcome to August Fest. So for the entire month of August, I am going to be vlogging every single day. I am challenging myself to hold myself accountable and be consistent. Now I am going to be having a giveaway on this vlog, but that information will be shared later down. So I hope you guys enjoy August Fest. Without further ado, let's jump into this vlog. My bed. I had to rush out of work because I was having one of them days, guys. One of them days, but it's okay. I'm feeling better. I'm trying to get to work on time. I haven't eaten. I am hungry, so I'm gonna see if I want to go get Starbucks really fast. I went to go get some Jamaican food yesterday, and guys, when I said that joint was garbage, that was probably the nastiest, such nasty Jamaican food, and it was such a waste of money because it was so dang on expensive, and I had to trash it. It was nasty, so I trashed it. I just couldn't. I trashed it this morning because I was like, let's not kid ourselves. You don't have to force yourself to eat something just because you spent money on it. It's whatever. And then today we're getting the aligners. Oh my god, I'm starting my straight teeth journey, which I'm super excited about. I'm so excited about it, guys. Oh my gosh. I am definitely not gonna lose my retainers again. They gave me like 4 retainers, so I'm not gonna lose it. I think I'm also gonna go and get all 4 of my wisdom tooth taken out during the winter, though, not now. Like later, I'm gonna get them all taken out because I think it does affect how straight my teeth could be, because right now it's crowded, it's crowded. That's why it's like the way it is. But once I remove all my wisdom tooth, which it needs to come out anyway, I think that I have like the smile that I want. I just got to my dentist appointment. Why did I go to the wrong dental place? But thank God they were like I could still come. So about to get retainers. I did not take any painkillers, and I'm a little scared. I'm not even a little, I'm a lot scared, guys. But oh, my lips is ashy. Let's put on some topicals. I keep a topical in my car because the lips can be ashy. I can't wait to do my hair. But for now, I'm gonna slap on a wig. Ooh, I'm gonna slap on a wig for now. I got this wig from Unice, so, and it's actually really nice. So I'll show you guys when we get to the house. I'm already off work. Let's go get this aligners. I'm so scared, nervous. Oh, she's cute. My little outfit. Hi. I'm good. Yes, ma'am.
You are gonna be vlogging?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Just I know back then. Alright, I'm gonna start the app on your phone, the monitoring app, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Alright, so we have your liners. You have in total 17 trays.
Okay.
So 17 weeks.
Okay.
We're gonna give you 1 through 5 today. Today's Monday, so each Monday you're gonna change trays.
Okay.
And then as well as scan. The scan, they ask you the day before you change it.
Okay.
Make sure everything's good. So you're gonna wear these 22 hours a day. You're only taking them off when you're eating. As soon as you're done eating, floss, brush your teeth really quickly, and then just pop them back in.
Okay. And close. Or open. I just got my aligners in. It's not painful. It's not as bad. I think with time, you know, it might be a little difficult, but I do have painkillers, so I'm gonna take it at home before it really starts to like hurt. I have to wear it 22 hours a day, and the brand that we're using is Motto. It's called Motto aligners, and they give me 9 trays. And yeah, I'm gonna have a list for a couple of days, but hopefully it goes away because I don't want to lisp. About to head home. I'm about to head home now. And what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing today, but I'm off tomorrow, so I guess we could I could probably do some stuff. I'm so mad. The freaking curtain rods that I ordered is still not here, and it's annoying. I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx though, because I want to pick up something real fast. I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, and then I'm gonna go home. I have etouffee at home, so I'm gonna eat some etouffee with catfish. That sounds so good. To get a planner, and that's what I got, and it's actually perfect for it because it's from August. Sun and fog. Well, that's just a shower gel. This looks really nice. $8. Nice. I need lotion. Right now, so I think this is what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna get this book, this, and this. I do need to get like a new soap. It smells like. I'm home. My teeth is not hurting, which is really good. It's kind of soft, actually. I like this. But I'm about to plug in some of the plugs. So I hope this is the thing. Oh, it is. I went and I picked up some Bath and Body Works fragrance oil because I'm about to put it in the house. I feel like we have more. I need to find them. But I'm going to put them around the house because I want my house to smell good. So I picked up coffee whiskey. I don't know what this one is. And I don't know what. Dang, that was dumb. Whatever. But I'm going to put them in. So I feel like Bath and Body Works has the best, to me personally, the best like plugins, and they smell so good. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah, they smell bomb. Guys, my website is live. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I was on the phone with this don't worry about it. But it's live. I built this website all by myself. And it's live and it's beautiful. I'm such a crier. Hey guys. About to get in bed. I already showered. Everything. My website is launched, but I closed it. I closed my laptop, so I'm not like watching the orders come in. I'm just gonna plan my month of August as far as like content goes. I got a new calendar planner. It's just gonna be for content, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna lay in bed and respond to like number one, emails, and then comments from the people that are buying the club. I'm so happy. I can't wait for the next launch. So we're gonna do like a whole, I can't wait to do like a Christmas campaign and do like a fall campaign. This is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited, but nonetheless, I just took painkillers because my retainers, I could feel the pain. I could feel it. So I took painkillers and I'm just about to lay in bed, probably watch TV, and then just plan my month.